Hey guys, it's Shannon. I know I'm bringing you a bonus video today. I usually post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but I'm bringing you a bonus Saturday video today for a really great reason. I've decided to jump in on Christina, the DIY Mommy's Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. So after you're finished watching this video today, I hope you will check out Christina's channel that I will have linked down in the description box below, as well as the Christmas Challenge playlist. So you'll find all kinds of great inspiration there, from DIY do-it-yourself projects to home decor for the holidays. And in today's video, I'm going to give you an in-depth tour of our coffee bar turned cocoa bar for the holidays. I think you will be pleasantly surprised to find that a lot of the items that you'll see in the tour today are from the Dollar Tree, the Target Dollar Spot, thrifted items, as well as handmade items. So you can definitely do holiday updates on a budget. At the top of the coffee bar is a handmade wood sign that I created using wood, chalk paint, and my silhouette cameo. I was excited to add light to the top of the coffee bar as well. We just finally got these wired up, and the lights are from Home Depot, and they're actually outdoor lights, but they work beautifully in this space. These lovely red and white checked plates are Pioneer Woman that I thrifted for only $3, if you can believe that. And I simply added a beautiful little wreath to them using garland from the Target Dollar Spot. The top of the shelf displays all of the fun hot cocoa toppings, all of the jars, and the Santa mugs are from the Dollar Tree. It's really easy to update items that are inexpensive, such as these canisters from the Dollar Tree. I simply added a little bit of red and white twine to the top, and it gave it that perfect holiday touch. If you aren't already, you can follow me on both Facebook and on Instagram, and you'll get some behind the scenes and sneak peeks of what's coming up and what I am up to. So you can find those linked down in the description box below. Both this wooden chalkboard easel and the cute little ceramic white house are both from the Target Dollar Spot. I love this chalkboard easel because I can use it season after season and update it to match my decor. I also have an adorable Santa head candle over here that I've thrifted, and also another one of those Dollar Tree canisters that I added Epsom salt and some bottle brush trees to. So a very simple and inexpensive holiday decor item. I also have a handmade wooden advent calendar here, which is made from chalkboard paint and some vinyl, and this is one of those items that the kiddos get involved with and mark off each day as we get closer to Christmas Day. This black bar with hooks is from IKEA, and it's another one of those items that I really love having on the coffee bar or the cocoa bar because I can interchange it for the different decor and seasons. This little wood sign is from the Target Dollar Spot. These coffee mugs are already done, however I just flipped them to the other side and added my own decals. I do have lots of holiday decals available in my Etsy shop, which is crossinmyheart.com, if you'd like to add your own decals to your kitchen's decor. This vintage Santa is actually a bank, and it's from my childhood growing up, so I love that I could add a piece of my own history to this display. added a few cute little paper straws to my cocoa mug next to our coffee maker. This is still our coffee bar and where our coffee maker sits. This tree is also from the Target dollar spot that I added some mini cookie cutters to. I just couldn't pass up this authentic enamel pot that I found at the thrift store, and I'm so glad I didn't because it's the perfect centerpiece to our hot cocoa bar. I have it sitting on a pie tray from Hobby Lobby, and I added a cute little velvet ribbon to the top, and it actually does hold a large container of our hot cocoa. This cute little red truck is actually a salt and pepper shaker that was gifted to me by my mom. I know so many of you loved the Dollar Tree tiered tray, so if you missed this DIY, I will link that down in the description box below. It is made from all items from the Dollar Tree, and I've displayed it here with some cinnamon and some pumpkin pie spice containers from the Dollar Tree again. Another Dollar Tree Santa mug that has some wooden spoons and our coffee stirrer in it. I added some more Epsom salt with some bottle brush trees. And then the top holds a sugar shaker, which is also from the Dollar Tree. Again, I added some more of that red and white twine to give it that holiday look. The coffee bar cabinet is actually from IKEA, as well as the baskets that sit underneath. And I just added some red and white plaid ribbon to the basket handles to give it that beautiful Christmas look. This cabinet displays some of my Rae Dunn items as well as a small microwave. I love this, it fits perfectly, and it got the microwave off of the counters, so we have more room on our kitchen counters. Here are more of the decals that you'll find in my Etsy shop, crossofmyheart.com, if you'd like to transform some of your items to have a Rae Dunn Christmas look. Another great accessory for this coffee bar is actually the chalkboard background. I absolutely love this. I have enjoyed changing the chalk art to the different seasons. And what I really love about it is it's completely free. So I've been able to kind of fill in gaps with chalk art instead of buying more accessories to fill in empty space. I hope that I have given you all some inspiration for decorating your home or your kitchen or your coffee bar for the holidays on a budget. I hope you found some great ideas to update maybe what you already have using twine and ribbon and garland, and also hit the Dollar Tree and the Target dollar spot and the thrift store to find items instead of spending a lot of money on brand new items from higher end department stores. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up for me. That definitely helps out my channel and helps me to continue bringing you these great ideas and tours. Thank you again to Christina for hosting this Christmas DIY and Decor challenge. Like I said, check out the link in the description box below where you'll be able to find the playlist and find lots more Christmas inspired decor and DIYs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit the bell as well so that you get notified when my videos do go live. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. Happy holidays. Bye guys.